Jeff. A few months ago, I went to a wildlife center for a yearly festival called a Sheep to Shawl. The Sheep to Shawl is the festival where they shear the wool off of the sheep and make it into a blanket for the next year. And afterwards, they have a raffle competition to see who will get the blanket. We didn't get the blanket, but I got a nice amount of clips that you guys would enjoy. So now let's check them out. This sheep's name is Rue. He is a 3-year-old Angora sheep. Around Rue's neck is something that could stop him from running or moving a lot, so they can shear him easily. To calm down Rue, they are feeding him while he is getting sheared. From the start to end, it took around 2 hours to cut Rue's wool. Now they are taking the small amounts of wool on his legs. As soon as Rue got out, he went straight to the food bucket. What a funny sheep! For safety reasons, there is a first aid kit just in case somebody gets hurt. As you can see, that is a lot of wool. It would be around 5 pounds. The wool was really soft and would be a perfect material for a blanket.
This is a demonstration, and we're down here at the cabins, like keep it in the period. Okay, 1800s. Isn't that soft? This has no lanolin in it either. You know, like wool.
Now Rue is going to his temporary home. This sheep would be one of Rue's siblings. This is the beginning of the process of how they make the thread from the wool. In the process, they made the thread by stretching it out and putting it in the peddling machine. As the machine is pulling it in, they are twirling it into a thread shape. is the other type of twirling machine that they have. Right here they are making bracelets out of knitting needles.
I'm almost done. I've got a little tiny bit left.
Wow, very, very soft blanket. This is what the blanket looks like after looming. The blanket will generate a lot of heat even in cold times.
I like it.
This is the exact same pattern of the blanket we just saw.
Certain way that you have to thread this depending on what pattern you're doing. Okay, now we don't have this set up as a pattern, so I mean, but if you had a pattern, you could do a pattern, you could do a twirl with this. Okay, and then these harnesses are tied way in. Yeah, it's a lot of work, isn't it? Yeah, it is. A lot of work. Buy a raffle ticket.
Now I'm going to try making a blanket.